Yes, children, what did I teach you all? I have taught you, yes, many activities, right? Today, I'll teach you, yes, today I'll teach you how to keep your inside parts clean. Yes, inside parts clean. Yes, there are many parts in inside our body, right? I have taught you in our body. Yes, do you all remember? Yes, there are many parts in inside and we should clean that parts also, right? How can we clean? Nana, if you want to clean the body from outside, what you do? What do you do, Nana? Yes, you will take a bath. Yes, you will take a bath with what? With water, right? Without water you cannot take bath. Only applying the soap you cannot take bath. So, you need water to clean the body from outside and to clean the body from inside. Yes, from inside, inner parts. If you want to clean, what you must do? What you must do, Nana? What used to your teacher tell daily when you used to come to school? Drink water before and after having lunch, right? Yes? Yes. So, today I'll tell you why should we drink water? Yes, we should drink water to clean the inside parts. Yes, to clean the inside part and the waste we pass with from urine. From where we pass, children? From urine. Yes. Now I'll tell you how many glasses of water you must drink daily. Yes? All are ready? Now see, I have jug full of water. See, jug full of water. See? Now, I am not saying you to drink jug full of water. I am saying to drink enough water. Enough water means what, children? How much water you need for your body. For daily from morning to still you sleep. If you won't drink water, what happen, Nana? You will fall sick. Yes, you will get health issues. And you may not feel active. Because of that, daily teachers at school and at home, parents will be back of you saying that drink water, drink water, drink water. Yes, now I'll say how much water you must drink daily. See, I have 5 glasses. How many glasses? 5. Now look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 glasses of water is there and you must drink minimum 6 glasses of water. But you are small, right? So I am showing 5 glasses. So you must drink minimum how many glasses of water? 6 glasses of water. 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 glasses of water for a day from morning to still you sleep. Yes, children? But you are very small. Yes? So you must at least drink 5 glasses of water. Yes, children? Now I'll show. Now look here. 1. See the glass here? Yes, glass full of water, not half water. Full of water. 1. Yes. Now another glass. Look here. See, this is the second glass. I am filling full of water. 2. Yes, this is the third glass. Yes, see, full of water you must fill, not half water. 3. Yes, now another one. Yes, 4. How much water you must drink, fill, Nana? Full of water. Yes, 4. Then see, how many glasses of water? Yes, 5 glasses of water. See, this is also, I filled it full. And when you must drink these 5 glasses of water at a time? No, not at a time. From morning to evening. And with this glass, if you want, you can drink another glass of water also. But you drink at least 5 to 6 glasses of water. Yes, children, in summer you must drink more water because you feel very hot and very thirsty. Yes, children, what happens if you don't drink water? What happens? You will fall ill. Yes, you will fall sick and you suffer with health issues. And why should you drink water, children? Why? Because it helps us to clean the inner parts. Yes, in inside also we have some body parts, right? And it helps us to clean the inner parts. So how many glasses of water you must drink, children? 6. Okay? 6. You are very small, so you can drink at least 5 or 6. Yes, children? You will drink from tomorrow or today? Will you do that? Yes, but morning 1 glass, afternoon before and after having your lunch 1 glass. Yes, teacher used to tell, come on, complete your water bottle by evening. Complete your water bottle. Do you remember, children? Yes, teacher used to be back of you, right? So, is it understood, children? Why should we drink water? We should drink water to keep our inner parts, to keep our body clean. Yes, and how we pass the waste from our body? Yes, by urine. By urine we pass the waste liquid from the body. If we drink water only, we'll go for urine. Yes, if you won't drink water, you won't get urine and the waste will be in your body. Yes, children? So, come on, show with your finger how many glasses of water you must drink. 6 glasses. Yes, 6 glasses or 5. At least 5. Yes, children? Done? Yes. Then bye, children. See you.